Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 7th. Today we are going to discuss another topic. So, your chapter number 7, creating programs in a Python. So, let's start this topic in your Python. So, your today's topic is taking input from the user. Okay. So, last we already done this program number 5. So, you will see today's topic taking input from the user. How to take input uh, from the user. Input the program from the user. So the input function is used to take input from the user. Then while executing a program, the value input by the user is stored in a variable as text string. So the general syntax is as follows. So you will follow the general section for first of all syntax. You will write input text string or a message. Okay. So program number 6, check it using the input function and printing the values input by the user. So first of all you will open your editor and new page you will open. After write the program. So first is the name, you will enter equal input, then enter your name and /t, then print hello name, you will put city equal input, enter your city /t, then print you live in a city. After you will saving this program, now you will check this output. So press F5 key. Now check this output is enter your name. So you will put this your name, any type of name. Okay, so in your book given this name Imran Siddiqui. Then next statement is coming, hello Imran Siddiqui, then enter your name, enter your city, New Delhi. So next is you live in a New Delhi. Okay, so this is a simple program for program number 6 to input function using in this program. Okay, then next is you are using the int function. The int function is used with the input statement to accept an integer value from the user. So general syntax is as follows. First is student syntax, the int input text string or a message. Then program number 7, using the int function to find the area of a rectangle. So first of all open your editor, open your new page, write the programs. Program is L equal int input enter length, then b equal int input enter breadth, then area you will put this formula length into breadth, then print area of a rectangle is area. Okay, after you will save this program, run this using the key F5 key. Okay, so program output is your coming is a enter length equal 25, then enter breadth is a 30. Okay, so area of rectangle is a 750. Okay, so this is a program of base int function is using find the area of a rectangle. Then student using the float function. So using the float function is used with the input statement to accept floating value number with decimal point from the user. Then the general syntax is as follows. Syntax is a in float input text string or message. Program number 8, using the float function to convert temperature from Fahrenheit or to Celsius. So open a new file and type a program in it as shown below. So open it in a new page and write the program F equal float input, enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, then C equal F minus 30 into 5 dividable 9, then print the value temperature in Celsius. C, you will put this value. Then after you will save this program and check it, this output is coming, enter temperature in Fahrenheit. So you will put this 98.6, any type of number, then temperature in Celsius will check this 37.0 after using this formula. Then program number 9 is your writing a program to interchange swap the values of two variables. So swap you will this open this your new page in your editor and write this program A equal int input enter value of a, then b int input enter value for b. So C equal A equal B and B equal C. So print the value of A after swapping A, then print value of B after swapping B. Okay, then save this program. After check it this output. So enter value for A is already given this value 50 and enter value for B is 100. After swapping this value, so value is coming value of A after swapping 100, then value of B after coming swapping 50. So both are interchanging in this program, interchanging swapping the value, swap the value. So next program you will see program number 10, writing a program to find the area of right angle triangle. So you will write this B equal base int input enter base, then H int input enter height, then area equal B base into H height dividable 2, print area of triangle is the area. Okay, Then after save this program, check it, this output is coming, enter base equal 10, enter height equal 15. So what the area of the triangle is 75.0. Okay, so after put this formula, you can see, check this output. Okay, so this is basically program number 10. Then student, you will go through this topic last. Let's recall important points. So Python is an interactive, interpreted, open source, cross platform, object oriented, high level programming language. So the shell window interactive mode allow you to directly enter command at the shell prompt and see their output. You can write, edit, debug, run and save Python program in the IDLE editor window. And then you can run the program by clicking on the run module or pressing the F5 key. The next student, the point in Python, the declaration of data type is done automatically when you assign a value to the variable. Okay, so the three basic data types used in Python are integer int, floating or decimal point, number float and text string str. Then the type function is used to know the data type of a variable. The print function is used to display the value stored in a variable or the output of a command statement. Then the input function is used to take input from the user while executing a program. The int and float functions are used with the input statement to accept integer and floating value respectively. So all this important point for your book, let's recall points. So you will go through and read this topic carefully. Then student terms to learn, you will follow all this important points. So variable, a temporary storage area in the computer's memory to store a data value is called a variable. Then data type, the type of data such as integer, decimal point, numbers, text string, etc. that is stored in a variable, so is known as a data type. Print function it is used to display the value stored in a variable or the output of a command. Then input function it is used to take input from the user while executing a program. Then float function, it is used to accept floating value number with decimal point from the user. Then int function, it is used with the input statement to accept an integer value from the user. So all are known as terms to learn, and you will go through all this topic, okay, and revise, and all this practical you will do practice carefully. Okay students.